Good morning, Saturday. That means hiking time. So I have just started my hike. Yeah, it is going to be about 5 miles, just over 5 miles. And it is already looking good. It is cloudy. That's nice. So right now it feels very good. It's just 11:15 in the morning. Come along. One thing I noticed right off the bat, that it is humid. It is going to be a humid day and a lot of bugs. I have bug spray with me, so if I feel that they are really bugging me, then I will spray. Yeah, I am excited. It is always exciting going for a hike. Yeah, nice. Well, easy to hit my head here if I'm not looking up. I was expecting a lot of people on the trail based on the reviews, but not much at all. I think a lot of people are using the paved path instead of coming here on the dirt. But this is more fun, man. This is more fun. Well, easy to hit my head again. All right. Oh, I did hit, actually. My God. Another down tree. Definitely gotta be careful here. Yeah, let me move this around a little. Yeah. All right. That's where we go. It is really nice, you know, it is cloudy, no sun, also covered with trees. Yeah. One thing I don't like is that I am seeing a lot of napkins. Come on, people. See here? Here. See? Come on, people. This is your trail. Keep it clean. Really beautiful. Yeah. It's time for the first break. should spray a little bit. Time for another water break. The weather is not bad. It is actually comfortable. Little bit of humidity and now some bugs. Otherwise, it has been okay. Quite good actually. Yeah, maybe another half an hour. Yeah, anyway. All right, let's go. All right, my friends, here we are. It was a very pleasant hike. Let's see, what does my watch say? I hiked for 2 hours and 25 minutes. Actual calories 780, and the distance covered was 5.4 miles. Not bad, not bad at all. This is what my app says. It says, yeah, the distance was 5.4 miles and calories were 1130. I think that's like total calories. Either way, it was a good hike. Thank you for being with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay active, enjoy life. All right? Later.